Ngiyanibingelela igama ngoSnakho wakwaZulu isibongo. Ngineminyaka ewu-27. I was born in 1995 on the 7th of August. Ngikhulele eFrahedi endaweni yaseBaqulusini. Ngizalelwe khona esibhedlela sakhona and then ngahamba ngahlala kaNongoma. I have a diploma in management sciences, specializing in business law, but kodwa-ke I am an artist because I fell in love with art. I am a poet, I'm a writer, I'm an actor. I have a book engayikhipha back in 2011 called Vivid Voices of Filidi, which consists of my poems and my short stories at that time. And I've won my competitions amaningi, such as Amajuba IT&B campus poetry competition. I've took part in shows. One of the biggest poetry shows, like Cabo Josie poetry show, Soul Food on Home Soil, back in Friday, and here I'm still participating in shows, and also an events organizer myself. I have a show in Iranayo called Isigodlo Poetry Theatre that takes place each and every year. Well, basically, the reason why I'm in Konjo is because I want to tell my story. I believe there are some people there are some people abangezwa istory sami and be touched and be healed or get a message from my story. So that is the real reason why ngenza inkondlo. And I remember why ukuthi ngaqala ukubhala inkondlo, I think it was in grade 6. Ngenza inkondlo, it was with my friend now who is now a pastor. Ngaqala ngenza inkondlo naye, we were writing there, but in that period I remember something terrible had happened and it helped me to heal from the pain engangade ngifeel at that time. So basically, yeah, it is for that reason I want to heal, I want to teach, and I want to relate with the people, and I want people to get the message engisuke ngiyiportray at that time. Yeah.